Okay, we're here with our 1950s Alcort Super Sailfish ZSA. It's 13 feet 7 inches long, made out of wood. Picked her up a few years ago. Been waiting to get to her. We started a little bit of exploratory restoration to see what she needed. She's going to need a new stem and a new keel. This keel is supposed to be one piece. It's split. We saw that right away and took a pause, started working on other things for 3 or 4 years. We also saw that someone had come in and added foam and some doublers to the frames at one point. So those aren't necessary. These thicker pieces not needed. Good solid marine ply right there. Foam not needed. All it's going to do is soak up water. We just got done and add weight. We just got done peeling off the port side of the bottom hole there. There's a lot of checking going on. Plus we knew it needed to come off so we could get to this keel and work on it. So I know the thought process behind adding the foam for flotation, but the thoughts on these boats is they're pontoon hulls, meaning they're just supposed to be full of air and nothing else. So that's what we're going to take it back to. That's the way the design was, and that's what we'll get it back to. Here's the deck beam here. We've got the little notches for it, have some nice lightening holes, meaning as in making it lighter. Back here some blocking for the rudder fittings. The carriage bolt actually goes through the transom. Nice 3/4 inch oak transom back here. It so far looks to be in really good shape. They had some type of white paint back there, some that they put on there that had a mildew side in it, and it would keep it in pretty good shape, and that's what we're seeing here with this boat. So this boat came in, I don't know, it was probably about 130 pounds or so. A super sailfish is supposed to only weigh 120 or so. So we're going to get these extra pieces out. They've added them up front. They added some back here where you're sitting, so we might leave these. I don't know. Maybe trim them down to where they're not as big and get it fixed up. The super sailfish is 3 feet wide. It's the little sister of the sunfish. Got a little splash guard on it, daggerboard trunk, 3-loop handrail, and you just sit on it. There's no cockpit. Uses the same size sail as the Sunfish, 75 square feet. Run off a lateen rig on a 10-foot mast. Little drain plug up here, another one in the back. So that's what we're working on next, in concert with the dabber. We'll probably go get the wooden sunfish chip and bring it up here too, and kind of working on them together, get some measurements. 1950s Alcort Super Sailfish ZSA.